Disclaimer: trading involves risk. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Welcome back to Wiezys Trading. Here's how to add my indicators to MT4. After downloading them, go to File, Open Data Folder, MQL4 Indicators. Copy and paste the files, then open the navigator and hit Refresh. To add an indicator, drag it from the navigator onto the chart. This is where you adjust inputs, arrow size, colors, and time filters. Keep your setup clean so the signals stand out. This works on any time frame. For faster signals, use M5. For smoother movement, try M15 or M30. Grab my indicators in the Telegram below and subscribe for more tools, tutorials, and new releases coming soon. Subscribe for more.